So today I have a different video for you guys. Hold on one second. Better. Okay, so today I have a video for you guys. So, as you can see in the title, it's gonna be a hair transformation. As you can see from before, my hair is just looking a little rough, so that's why I put this on. And yeah, we're gonna slay this hair for the new year, even though the new year already started a week ago, but it's okay, it's cool. But so today I'm going to be using Isee hair. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this myself. So I actually wanted to buy a new wig, and I was just looking on AliExpress, and then I saw this wig and I was like, okay. And then I went on YouTube and then I saw other people review this wig and I was like, okay, I'm buying this wig. It looks bomb. It's straight hair. It's everything. So I bought it, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes in the package. So, also, did I say that this video is not sponsored?
Yes, you did, sis. You did say it wasn't sponsored. You're slow. You're dumb.
Well, this video is not sponsored. So yeah. Well, I got an 18-inch. It's straight hair. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah. It's 18-inch and 150 density. So yeah, and it is a 6x6 part. But yeah, so this is the hair. It's looking a little rough right now, but guess what? I'm gonna slay it, so it don't matter. It don't matter. So this is what the hair looks like. It's nice and long. It's actually soft. But yeah. Oh, it also comes pre-plucked. So I don't know if you could see that, but it is pre-plucked. But I'm gonna be plucking a little more. Yeah, I'm gonna be plucking a little more. It comes with baby hairs, but you already know I'm pushing that back and creating my own. But yeah, if you are a beginner, I feel like this wig is for you. Let's get into the video. What comes in the box. So it doesn't just come with a wig, but it also comes with 3D mink eyelashes, which looks really pretty. I have them upside down, but these are really pretty. Like, tell me those lashes don't look cute, period. So they also won't be just slaying you with some hair, they'll be slaying you with some lashes that look bomb. And yeah, it also comes with a card, and it has the like phone number to like message them if you have any questions or anything like that. And also it has like some information like right here. So the wig comes with different clips, as you can see. I'm showing you. There's 4 of them. There's one at the back, there's 2 on the side, and there's one at the top.
And I'm also showing you a close-up view of this gorgeous wig. I love this wig so much. It's nice and soft, it's easy to maintain, it's pre-plucked, it's everything. It's like, this wig is made for beginners, because I'm basically a beginner. Like, I'm not that good at slaying wigs, but I try. You know, I try.